Naganap na nga ang pinakahihintay na preliminary competition ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025 kung saan nagpatalbugan muli ang mga kandidata sa swimsuit at evening gown competition. Suot ang kanilang pasabog na swimsuit at mga nagagandahang evening gowns. Subalit ang tanong ng marami ngayon, sino sa 5 frontrunners ang muling nanlamon sa swimsuit at evening gown? Well, apart from the preliminary interview na naganap din kahapon, ang ipinakita lang performances sa preliminary na ito ang isa sa mga magtatakda ng kanilang kapalaran sa darating na Grand Finals sa May 2. Aminin ko ha, nung pinanood ko yung preliminary, in fairness, nahirapan ako kasi ang gagaling ng performances na ipinakita nila. Halos walang maitapon, pero husgahan at hatulan natin muli ang kanilang ipinakitang performances nang malaman natin kung sino nga bang sigurado ng pasok na sa semifinal sa darating na coronation. For the swimsuit competition, my criteria for judging are body, of course, dapat physically fit, confidence at stage presence, yung presentation of the swimsuit, personality, and of course, a pasarela and the overall impact. For the evening gown naman, my criteria for judging naman are the following: elegance, grace, poise, evening gown, mainly design and choice of color. Of course, stage presence at aura, personality, pasarela, at again, overall impact. Ito yung mga hinahanap ko. So let's begin with Sultan Kudarat's Chelsea Fernandez. I love her entrance here. Ang lakas ng pagpasok niya. Kuha agad ang atensyon ko as a judge. She did not waste a single moment. Perform agad after her name. And gusto ko yung pagkaka-present niya ng cape dito. That's what I'm talking about sa swimsuit. Dapat pag tama pa lang ng camera, batuhan mo agad ng smile because the judges are looking for the candidate that enjoys being in the swimsuit, and we want to see you having fun as well on stage while performing. There should not be any awkward facial expressions on you, and this is not the time para sa pa-fierce na lang. And I love the fact that she was able to execute that umpisa pa lang. I also love her hair and makeup here. Okay, the body is giving as well. Yes, girl. The eye contact with the camera and the judges and the audience was there. Perfect. It was very consistent. I love this performance. My favorite part in her performance here is that when she walks down the runway na, nung tinamaan na siya ng close-up shot ng camera, tapos she was giving out this electrifying smile. That was so perfect. Plus yung background music pa, it was giving a beach vibe. I love it. I'm giving her a perfect 10 out of 10. I am impressed. This is what I'm looking for sa swimsuit competition. Sa evening gown naman niya, maganda rin ang ipinakita niya. I have to say ha, super ganda ng design na evening gown na napili niya. Sobrang ganda ng ocean blue color ng gown niya on stage. I love the contrast of the ocean blue against the stage. Sobrang lutang na lutang yung gown. Like, wow, I'm really impressed. Gusto ko rin yung hair and makeup niya dito. Ang ganda-ganda rin ng execution niya ng pasarela nito. I thought her presentation of her gown was really good. Stand out, I must say. Meron siyang ginawa dito na sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga. Ito yung hinahanap ko sa lahat ng mga kandidata, pero bihira ko lang siya makita, and I'm glad that she was able to do it. Nung tinamaan na siya ng close-up shot, nagawa niyang bumato ng electrifying smile na perfect na na-capture ng camera. That was perfection. Ang ganda ng shot na yun, like super wow. Tapos when she walks her way to the center na, she threw that part of her gown in the air. Tapos I love that execution there. Oh my god. Sad lang, the camera was not able to capture that moment. Pero I gotta say, Sultan Kudarat stayed both the swimsuit and the evening gown. So I'm also giving her evening gown performance here a perfect 10 out of 10. Good job. So next is Taguig's Katrina Ligado. No, no girl. The entrance was not giving. Te, yung patalikod na pasok na yan, bumenta na yan before. No, luma na yan, te. No, I did not like it. Dapat pagtama pa lang ng camera, bigay mo na agad. Kasi remember, you're only given a few seconds to impress the judges. Kaya do not waste any single moment. Tapos hindi ko nagustuhan yung biglang pag-ikot niya tapos halos humiwalay na yung ulo niya sa hair flip. I was like, what was that? Hindi fluid, hindi flawless yung execution niya doon. Tapos when she begins her passerella na, it was very shaky pa. Although I like the smile on her face, but the passerella was not giving. The hair flip was not giving either. The presentation was all over the place. I'm giving her swimsuit a 4 out of 10. I didn't like it. With her evening gown naman, I don't like her evening gown either. I thought it was stiff and heavy, and she was giving this facial expression where you could really see na kinakabahan talaga siya. For her evening gown, I'm sorry, but I didn't enjoy it. I'm giving her a 3.5 out of 10. Okay, next is in Iloon, Laguna si Iliana Marie Aduana. For her swim hat, she's giving a Miss Grand vibe here, especially sa part na to. Although, okay naman yung overall presentation at execution niya sa swimsuit. Malakas yung entrance niya, in fairness. Her passerella was on point. She was smiling, the confidence was also there, the eye contact was also there. Overall, I thought it was a solid performance. I'm giving her performance here an 8.5 out of 10. So for her evening gown naman, in fairness, maganda rin yung evening gown niya ha. Also the color, the presentation and the execution were both strong din. In fairness, maganda rin yung passerella niya dito, but hinahanap ko yung X factor, yung power. Medyo wala akong nakitang ganun. But overall, I thought her evening gown was strong, so I'm giving her an 8.7 out of 10. Okay, let's go to Quezon Province sa Tisa Manalo. To be honest, hindi masyado ganong kalakas yung entrance niya for me. Maganda yung rehistro ng pagkakabato niya ng smile sa camera, sa monitor. But for her passerella, execution, and overall presentation, I did not see anything special na mapapawaw talaga ako. I thought it was just a basic passerella, basic execution. Like I have seen this before like I was expecting pasabog sana from her, but I was kind of disappointed. Don't get me wrong ha. Her passerella was good. Like her overall presentation naman was strong, but it lacks pasabog. Like there's no wow factor. So I'm giving her swimsuit performance a 7 out of 10. For her evening gown naman, I'm not really impressed either with her evening gown. Like she wears this yellow evening gown with some fabric on her back. I don't find her gown a stand out. Kasi yung pagkaka-capture ng camera, like hindi ganun ka stand out yung rehistro sa monitor. Parang washed out yung pagkaka-yellow ng gown niya. Tapos the design was also plain and simple. Like kung itatapat mo to kay Sultan Kudarat, wala na, matatabunan talaga siya. Like I think her evening gown was more on the safe side. Ganon din yung execution sa presentation niya. Simple lang din. Wala akong nakitang wow factor. Dito sa shot ng camera na to, the only thing that I do like is the solid eye contact. Pero yung pasarela, yung overall performance, execution, wala masyadong drama. It was not captivating. Her overall evening gown presentation was on the safe side rather than a standout. It lacks X factor, no wow factor either, no drama. It was not captivating. Although it was not bad ha, don't get me wrong, hindi lang siya standout talaga for me. So I'm giving her evening gown a 5 out of 10. Okay, last but not the least, ang pambato naman ng Muntinlupa na si Winwin Marquez. Captivating, compelling, irresistible. Yan ang una ko nakita sa pagpasok pa lang niya, pasabog agad. And that's what I'm talking about. Dapat pagtama pa lang ng camera, bigay mo na. Hindi yung may patalikod pang nalalaman. Bigay agad. Laban agad. I love her entrance. Talagang wow. What with that killer smile. Yes, girl! Work it, girl! Yes! Ang ganda ng bato niya ng smile, sabay napaka-electrifying din ng pasarela na dito. Double hit siya doon ha. Perfect. I also love na yung nasa gitna na siya, then sinabay na sa pag-turn yung pagtanggal niya ng cape. Although I wish doon sa part ng pag-turn niya, sana doon niya binato yung smile kasi dito sa part na to tinamaan siya ng close-up shot eh. Sa mga girls out there, kapag nag-turn kayo, doon nyo na ibato yung smile kasi most likely doon tatama yung close-up shot. So sayang yung opportunity kasi doon pa naman sa part na yun nakafocus yung mga judges. So be mindful of that. Turn, then bato agad ng smile kasi close-up shot agad. Although she did her smile naman nung whole body shot na, which is good thing na na-capture pa rin ng camera. Her pasarela here was very, very strong. Grabe yung aura. I felt it. And yes, I'm going to say na nakita ko yung wow at X factor from her performance. Pasok na pasok sa banga. This is a very strong swimsuit performance from her. So I'm giving her a perfect 10 out of 10. I loved it. Sa evening gown naman, I love the design of her gown. May pagka-edgy, ganon. I really, really like the design, very striking. I just wish na sana iniba yung color kasi black siya. And then kapag sa malayo yung shot, may tendency na nagbe-blend in yung color ng gown sa madilim na part ng stage. As you can see, it would have been great sana if it was in a different color like green or red. Then although the pasarela was strong, the presentation was good. Dito lang sa part na nag-turn siya, tapos tinamaan na naman siya ng close-up shot, she failed to give out that full smile. Sayang, that could have been an opportunity sana. It would have been a perfect if she smiled during that shot. Kasi again, always remember na pag-turn, bato agad ng smile kasi most likely doon tatamaan ng close-up shot at dito magfo-focus yung mga judges. She did smile a little bit but not totally. Ayan, nag-smile naman siya nung tinamaan siya ng whole body shot. Sayang lang that she missed the close-up shot. Although I love the smile she was giving here. Tapos sinabayan pa ng pangmalakasang pasarela. That's perfect. I love that part. Ayan, buti na lang for the last part when she did her turn once again and then tinamaan na naman siya ng close-up shot. Ayun, binato na yung smile and thank God, na-capture siya ng camera and that was perfect. That was really, really good. I love that part. So overall, maganda naman yung pinakita na sa evening gown. I'm giving her a 9.7 out of 10. Definitely pasok na pasok to sa semifinals 100%. So both swimsuit and evening gown ang talagang umagaw ng attention ko at nakakuha ng perfect score at masasabi kong 100% pasok na sa semifinals. Sigurado ako dyan na nakuha ni Sultan Kudarat ang number 1 spot, followed by Win-Win at number 2, and number 3 naman si Niloan, number 4 Atisa. For Taguig, medyo alanganin ako. Kung pagbabasehan ko yung performances niya here, liligwakin ko siya sa semifinals because I'm not impressed. So there you have it. Anong masasabi niyo sa naging performances nila dito? Sino sa tingin mo nag-stand out sa kanila? Comment your ko down below.